In the previous video, we explained how to take cuttings from a cannabis plant and why you might want to do so. However, if we didn't tell you what to do with those cuttings to help turn them into healthy cannabis plants, we wouldn't be much use to you, would we? So, once you've taken the cutting, what should you do next? Well, the moment you have cut the stem at an angle to encourage water uptake, you should dip the stem in water or under a running tap. This stops too much of the air getting into the cut part of the stem, as this will be bad for the capillaries in it and will restrict root growth. Once wet, you should then dip the stem into some rooting powder or gel. This is a specially formulated compound full of enzymes that naturally encourage root growth. You then need to place the stem of the cutting into a growth medium, either in a rooting cube or a small peat pot. You can also plant your cuttings in a soilless medium, such as rooting gel or liquid. While there are no roots, it is difficult for cuttings to breathe. As a result, to keep them hydrated, you need to cover them with a dome and keep the cuttings well hydrated. You can then lift off the dome from time to time to refresh what air is in it. An alternative to limit transpiration or drying out of the plant before the roots form is to cut many of the leaves on the cutting in half. This means you still have a good number of leaves on the stem, but half the surface area to reduce transpiration. Expose the cuttings to roughly 12 hours of daylight per day and spray them regularly to ensure they stay moist. After 2 or 3 weeks, you should begin to see roots start to appear. We're sure you have your own ideas for encouraging successful rooting of plant cuttings, so please feel free to share them with us in the comments section below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you too can become a cannabis expert.